Greetings, my name is Dr. Robert Neimeyer, and I'm very excited to have the opportunity to collaborate with Leading Edge Seminars as we organize a learning retreat in gorgeous Cancun, Mexico. Not only will we have an opportunity to take a deep dive into the aquamarine waters of this resort, but we'll also take an equally profound dive into the deep work of grief therapy as we speak about working alongside those whose lives are complicated by substantial loss. We'll consider the ways in which we can help people reaffirm and reconstruct a healing bond with those they have loved that extends beyond death. We'll talk about how people can also seek to restore a sense of themselves, to relearn themselves and relearn the world in light of a profoundly changed reality. So we hope you'll join us as we bring together a sense of creative community to encourage inspiring clinical practice in a very special setting next year. Hope to see you there.